In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do dynamic Asana 2025 step by step. We'll start by creating a dynamic project so everything that follows has a solid foundation. Click New Project, then choose Dynamic, or pick a template that already includes dynamic fields. Decide whether you want a dynamic list or a dynamic board. Lists are great for linear workflows and detailed sorting, while boards give you that Kanban style drag and drop feel. Choose the one that matches how your team prefers to work. Next, let's add the fields that power your project. Open your project and click Customize in the upper right. Under Fields, choose Add Field and select a dynamic field, like Formula, Rollup, Status, or other calculations. For example, a formula can automatically calculate progress or workload based on values you track, saving you manual updates. Keep field names short and clear, and test with a few sample tasks to make sure the results look right. If you track subtasks or related work, a rollup can summarize that information at a glance. Now turn on the views that make your data useful. Switch between board, list, timeline, and calendar as needed. Dynamic Asana keeps everything in sync, so an update in one view shows up everywhere. Timeline is especially helpful for understanding task sequencing, while calendar is perfect for spotting heavy weeks or alignment issues. To reduce repetitive work, let's add automation. Go to Customize and open Rules. Create helpful rules like, when a due date is near, set priority to high, or when status is done, move the task to the completed column. Rules run instantly across all views and keep your board clean. Start with a couple of high-impact rules and avoid stacking conflicting automations. If your work depends on other tasks, add dependencies. Open a task, scroll to dependencies, and mark whether it's blocked by another task or blocking something else. Asana will adjust dates and workload dynamically as upstream tasks move. Use clear task titles and keep notes updated so dependencies are easy to understand at a glance. To prevent burnout and bottlenecks, head to Dashboard and open Workload. Add capacity in hours per day or in points. Asana highlights who is over capacity so you can rebalance, calibrate capacity with your team, and revisit it for busy seasons. Finally, create dynamic reporting. In Dashboard, choose Create Chart and add visuals for progress, tasks by priority, or tasks overdue. These charts update automatically as work changes. Name them clearly and use filters to focus on the most relevant timeframes or teams. That's it. Your dynamic system in Asana is ready to scale with you.